Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to tell you about Lunatask versus Notion versus Amplenote. Lunatask, Notion, and Amplenote are powerful productivity tools, but each serves different purposes based on user needs. Lunatask is a privacy-focused productivity app that combines task management, journaling, and habit tracking into one platform. It's great for users who prioritize privacy and a built-in workflow system. Notion, on the other hand, is an all-in-one workspace that allows users to create notes, databases, wikis, and manage projects. It's highly flexible and best suited for teams, businesses, and individuals looking for an organized digital workspace. Amplenote is a powerful note-taking and to-do list app that focuses on task management with backlinks and long-term thinking. It's great for users who want a blend of note-taking and task tracking with strong organization features. I have created a comparison table for you. If you need a personal productivity tool with built-in task management, journaling, and habit tracking while keeping privacy a priority, then Lunatask is the best option. It's great for those who prefer an all-in-one productivity solution without distractions. If you are looking for a highly flexible, collaborative, and feature-rich workspace, Notion is the way to go. It's best for teams, businesses, and individuals who need an all-in-one note-taking and project management tool. If you want a note-taking app with deep task management features, strong organization, and privacy, then Amplenote is a great pick. It's best for users who want to link tasks and notes for long-term productivity. In short, Lunatask for personal productivity, habit tracking, and privacy. Notion for teams, business collaboration, and flexible project management. Amplenote for task-focused note-taking and long-term organization. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.